celebrate and create awareness on World Animal Welfare Day. This day is observed every year on October 4th to raise awareness to improve the welfare standard of the animal across the globe. This day is significant in terms of protecting, caring and spreading awareness through support and the involvement of groups, individual and organization to care and love animals. We must show our gratitude towards animals and their contribution to our life by stopping animal cruelty. This day is celebrated irrespective of nationality, religion, caste, creed, ideology, etc. So, let us all join together to celebrate World Animal Day with unity and enthusiasm. Now, I invite my friend Jayashree to sing a song about animals.
Oh, my daughter had a phone, E-I-E-I-O. And on his phone he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Oh, my daughter had a phone, E-I-E-I-O. And on his phone he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. And a wank wank here and a wank wank there, here a wank, there a wank, everywhere a wank wank. Oh, my daughter had a phone, E-I-E-I-O. And on his phone he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. And a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Oh, MacDonald had a phone, E-I-E-I-O. And on his phone he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Oh, MacDonald had a phone, E-I-E-I-O. And on his phone he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Oh, my daughter had a phone, E-I-E-I-O-yo-yo.
Wow, what a mesmerizing voice. Thank you, Jayashree. Now, here comes our cute little star Subhikshana to share her views on Animal Welfare Day.
Hi everyone, I am G. Subhikshana. Today is October 4th. It is celebrated as World Animals Day. World Animals Day was established in the year 1925. Earth is the home to many animals. They own many companions. Animals help our environment. Man cut down the forest to buildings, homes and factories. Wild animals lost their home. Hunters kill animals for leather, fur and ivory. Water pollution affects animals that live in the water. We need to protect animals because the earth is not just our home. It belongs to them as well. Thank you.
Wonderful speech, Subhikshana. Now I invite Nivedita to present her art.
From class 8 standard 8 section. I'm here to say a few points on World Animal Welfare Day to make people realize the importance of animal in our ecosystem and our life. The ecologists launched World Animal Day in 1931. The earth will lose its soul without animal. Let's protect our wild animal. Thank you.
Beautiful art, Nivedita. Now here comes our little star Rikshitavaro to share his thought about Animal Welfare Day.
Good morning to all. World Animal Welfare Day is celebrated every year on October 4th. It is to raise awareness of caring animals. The day tells us the importance of caring, protecting and spreading awareness. was founded by the scientist and animal activist Jane Rich. How do we celebrate this day? Love animal, don't hurt animal, start the animal. Thank you.
Nice speech, Rikshita. Here comes Nakul to deliver speech.
Good morning to everyone. I am Nakul from 8th A. Today, I am going to talk about World Animal Welfare Day. The first World Animal Welfare Day took place of 1925, 24th March in the Sport Palace, Berlin, Germany. More than 5,000 people were attend the event. It was founded by Henry Zimmerman, author of Man and Dog, and the World Animal Welfare Day was celebrated internationally on October 4th. And we can know how can we celebrate this day. We can avoid the using product that harms an animals. Don't hurt the animals. Show extra love to your pets. And more than 2 million plus animals killed in everywhere. Native species are 1.2 million. 100 years before, 250,000 lions are there. Now 90% lions are killed by people. Now only 20,000 lions are there. Thank you to everyone to giving me a great opportunity for me.
Your speech was informative. Here comes Harshita with a beautiful art.
Every year on 4th October is celebrated as World Animal Welfare Day. It is done to celebrate the relationship between humans and animals. We all know the animals are an important part of our ecosystem. They not only give support and improve our lives, but they also teach humans the true meaning of friendship. Animals cannot speak for themselves, so we should speak for them.
Thank you, Harshita. Here comes Regan Sergio first, who was dressed as a king of jungle.
Morning, teacher and my dear friends. I am going to talk about lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion, strongest wild animal. Lion runs very fast.
Thank you, Regan Sergio. Here comes a cute little puppet show by Risto Jackson.
Hi friends, I'm going to do a puppet show. அது ஒரு அழகான காடு. வாங்க காட்டுக்குள்ள போகலாம். இந்த காட்டுக்குள்ள நிறைய அனிமல்ஸ் இருக்கு. கரடி, சிங்கம், புலி, டைனோசர் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. அந்த காட்டுல ஒரு அழகான நண்பரும் வாழ்ந்துருந்தாங்க. முயல்குட்டி, குரங்கு,
Jazen, for your beautiful puppet show. Next comes Rishwana of class first to share few words about animal welfare.
Save trees, save wildlife, save forests, save our earth.
Superb, Rishwana. Now I invite my friend Leah Pervin to deliver speech.
Good morning everyone. I am Leah Pervin of class 8A. I am here to speak about the World Animal Welfare Day. This day is an international day of action celebrated annually on October 4th. Animal Welfare Day celebrates relationship between humankind and animal kingdom. The aim of World Animal Welfare Day is to improve animal welfare standard worldwide through the support and involvement of individual groups and organizations that care for and love animals. This is the reason it is also known as Animal Lovers Day. We should also realize that if we do not look after the animal of the world, they will eventually die as one-third of them are already in danger of facing extinction from the world. The animals are an integral part of the society. So, to improve the condition of the animal, we should all celebrate World Animal Day together irrespective of our nationality, religion and political beliefs. We should know more about the animal and we should attend all the events in the World Animal Day so that we can also let others know about the importance of the day. We cannot enjoy the world life without the involvement of the animal, and for this every person of the world should come forward and support this special day. We should remember the soul of a person cannot get enriched without help of an animal. Thank you.
Nice speech, Leah Pervin. Here comes the beautiful art of our blooming buds.
Animal Welfare Day.
Thank you all. Hope you all enjoyed our presentation. Keep loving and caring animals. Thank you all. Be safe and stay safe. Have a great day.